Hello, this is Robert at Guzzi Fabrication. Hey, in this video is going to be following the metalwork, bodywork, prime, blocking, and repriming of a 1971 Cuda, and this is a restoration slash Resto Mod. Okay, starting with the bumper bolts, they were deleted, then the bumpers were cut and fitted, then painted the body color. The front fender, the rear quarter panel marker lights were also deleted, and there was quite a bit of rust repair as well as collision damage to address on this vehicle. The left and right full quarters were replaced. The roof skin plus the A-pillar outers were replaced on both sides, and a section of the firewall was cut out and replaced. Then sections of the front floor, the rear seat section, a full one-piece trunk pan was installed, and trunk extensions as well. Then we moved on to replacing the tail light panel and trunk filler. Then all of the panels were tailored to each other for a really consistent gap throughout the whole car. We really pride ourselves on the fit and finish of each of our projects. And we focus on the metalwork. And yeah, it's more time consuming, but investing in the metalwork keeps the body fillers to a minimum. Now we also offer all metal finishing, meaning zero body fillers used, as well as offering lead work finishing. And hey, if you like this video, hit the like button, then subscribe to our channel, and scroll through the content on our content page. We have a wide range of videos. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section. We would really like to hear your input. And as always, thanks for watching.